What's going on, card collectors? It's Ken with Ken's Cardboard coming at you with a video from my basement in snowy Colorado. Check out this footage from my front yard. Here's some footage from yesterday, Saturday morning, when it just started to snow, and then as the snow built up over the evening, and then today it's just coming down in buckets. Just dumped. I've had to shovel my driveway twice already so it doesn't get too deep. But yeah, check out all this snow. Crazy. All right, so it's been a little while since I did a mail day. Picked up a bunch of things in the mail from a bunch of great channels out there. So shout out to some of these channels here who've been supporting my channel, and I support their channels as well. It's just fun just to hang out in the hobby here. So gonna go through a bunch of cards that we got and share some fun stuff. So first, let's take a gander at some cards we got from Maybe Sports Cards. I don't know if you guys have checked this out, but thank you for all your support and your channel. I really enjoy the content, share, and have learned a lot from you. Here's a small token of our appreciation from Mike and Mikkel at Maybe Sports Cards. I'm going to put their link down below in my channel of this video, and here's the two cards they sent me. So got this cool coin card. I think this is from Series 2. Or update series, the blaster box. So we got a nice Nolan Arenado. It's a thick one. And then we also sent this from Throwback Thursday, this Mike Trout card. Pretty cool. Basic design, nice light white border. But thank you very much, Mike and Mikkel. Appreciate it, sending that. Next up, we got AndrewThe Master Cards. Ken, thanks so much for the nice package of 2021 Series 1 Reds cards. I thought I would send some random Rocky stuff back your way. These will look great in your PC. Of course they will, Andrew. Appreciate it. Thanks for sending these my way. A couple of these I don't think I have, but here we go. Got this nice leather and lumber. I like the design of this card. Nolan Arenado, of course. Then we got the 2020. Then we got this nice Illuminator of Charlie Blackmon, Chuck Nasty. I don't have this card. I like this one a lot. Got another Chuck Nasty. A little Brendan Rodgers. He might get a little shot to play now that Arenado's gone. I think McMahon's going to move to third. Here we got a Helton highlights. Love it. Get some focus in here. There we go. We got some Dante Bichette. I think this is 1991? 93. Derek Jeter rookie card here. And we got this, I think this is 2000 Topps. Looks he's playing Wrigley Field. Thank you so much, Andrew. Appreciate it. Check out Andrew's channel. Go support him. He's an awesome dude. Then also picked up some cards from Plákata Cards up in Canada. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Hope it's not snowing like it is here. Wanted to get these cards out to you. Can't believe we forgot to include them in the care package we sent, so they sent another envelope. Appreciate it. We're very excited for the upcoming baseball season, and no doubt you are as well. Hopefully it will be safe sooner rather than later to return to watching baseball live. Take care, amigo. The Plákata Cards family. Awesome. Got a few more cards for the PC here. Got a nice blue border from the hobby. I think maybe these are from Walmart or Target. I think they're Walmart packs from the hanger boxes, maybe. Josh Fuentes, he's the cousin of Nolan Arenado. Drew Butera. Not sure if he's back with the Rockies this year. Then we got a nice Larry Walker turkey red. Ooh, and a Brooks Robinson turkey red. Ooh, I don't have this one. Ken Griffey Jr. 1985 throwback. 35th anniversary. Very cool. Can never have enough Griffeys in your collection, right, everybody? So check out Plákata Cards. Love their channel. Pretty cool. Next up on the list, so my buddy from Nevada, Jason Aaron Goldberg. Hey Ken, the season is upon us and I'm excited for baseball. Please enjoy these shenanigans spoils for your PC from #from me to you, best. Jason Aaron Goldberg. Thank you so much, Jason. Appreciate it. Sent me a stack of cards here. All right, let's go through these. We've got some Chad Bettis with the 150 stamp. Chad recovered from cancer. That was awesome. Oh, look at this. This is a cool Don Russ card from 20. This is the chrome. I don't know what they call it. Prism parallel. I don't know. This nice Andres Galarraga. I don't think he's on the. I don't think he was on. His own is on Montreal picture there, but from 20. Here's a nice 1989 Topps Fleer Andres Galarraga Big Cat. He had one of the longest home runs ever in baseball. I think it was down in Miami. I got some Tulo. I think this is 2015. 15? Yeah, 2015. With a nice Cargo. Look at that catch. Cargo's always making diving catches. I think he retired last year. I think he didn't play. Then we got some David Dahl, who's now with the Rangers. Nice refractor. Thank you, Jason. Ooh, I don't have this card. Freeland. He's looking pretty good this spring, so maybe the Rockies can pick something up. Here we got another David. Here's an Ian Desmond refractor. Awesome. Got some refractor. Ooh, look at this Chuck Nasty. I don't have this one. I like the shine on that one. All right, we're back. I had some technical difficulties. Ran out of storage on my phone. And we got a Pete Rose Jr. with the Orioles. Didn't have much of a career, but this is a nice looking star card. A little bit off center, but cool to have. This is from 1989. Very cool. We got another big cat. There's the gold from 1992. 92. Well, we got a nice Larry Walker from 92. Gold. Very cool. And we got a Trevor Story Turkey Red. Thank you so much, Jason. Appreciate you sending those my way. Awesome. Another care package. I put Jason's YouTube site down in the down below in my video. Up next, we got a nice chunky package from Mr. Victor Negron. And I think I seen this one earlier. This little Chuck Nasty. Now I have two of these, all in one fell swoop. Ooh, we got some nice Stadium Club Walt Weiss Top Stadium Club. I don't even know what year this is. 1997. Love it. Cool design. I like it. With John Vanderwall, Ellis Burks, part of the Rockies power back in the 90s. Some Cargo. Oh, here we go. Some Matt Holliday. Love the Holiday cards. I like this card a lot. Where is it from? This upper deck? Yeah, upper deck. Very cool. Got a gold. Ubaldo Jimenez, the only pitcher to pitch a no-hitter in Rockies history. We got a nice Trevor Story from Stadium Club 2020. Ooh, loves me some Flair. Got some Vinny. Ooh, look at that shine. Oh yeah, Flair is awesome. One of my favorite products ever. 1997 Flair Showcase. Then we got some EY. 1997, I believe, yep. Just dropping the cards here. Yep, 97. We got some Jamie Wright. Very cool. And another Ellis Burks. Very cool. We'll check out this upper deck. SP. Look at that. Larry Walker. 3D image. Just like you're on TV. Then we got some Dante. Flair Showcase, 97. I don't think I have this one. I have to peel this one. Protective coating. It's coming off. Can we get it? Live. In person. Here it comes. Look at the shine, how much more shiny that is. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye, protector. All cards in my collection, they don't need protection because I'm going to protect them myself. Love it. That's a really cool card. Pinnacle Mint. Look at that coin, copper coin. That's pretty cool. Nice mustache, Dante. Love it. This is from 1997 Pinnacle. Oh, we got some football cards. We got some John Elway from Score. This is what, like 91 Score or something? Nope, 90 Score. We've never seen this. We got some football, baseball, Elway, Yankees. Just Minors Present Just Imagine 99. Cool. Never seen that before. Ooh, look at this shine. Mike Anderson. He had a pretty decent couple of years with the Rockies. I mean, not Rockies, the Broncos. Super Bowl 35. 2000. Oh, here's a go. Look at this card. So you need to put some background up against this thing so you can see it. This is Terrell Davis. Pacific. There you go. Now you can see it. Pretty cool. I like this cool design of Terrell Davis. Very cool. A little Bradley Chubb prism. Some Bronco action. Oh, look at this Helton. Don't have this one. Allen and Ginter Chrome from 2020. And we got Chin-Hai Sao. Upper Deck. This is numbered out 2003. Cool. I bet this is from 2003. Yep. Didn't have that. Ooh, we got a nice Jeff Francis here. Very nice, very nice. And we got a few more cards here that Victor sent. Here are the TD cards we talked about, along with a few other Rockies and Broncos cards. Hope some of these fit in your collection. Victor, thanks, Victor. Victor Negron. Awesome YouTube channel. Send me some cards my way. Thank you so much. Oh, look, there's the more Flair Showcase TD 1998 section 2 row 3. Nice. There's a different TD. This is the row 1. Very cool. Flair Showcase. And then we got a nice Terrell Davis perfect fit die cut molten metal from Skybox. Cool. I don't think I've ever seen these cards before. It's not numbered, but still love it. Very cool, Victor. Very cool. And then we got the black version of the 2020 Stadium Club, Nolan Arenado. Did not have that, Victor. Thank you so much for sending me all those cards. Appreciate it. Love it. Now I'm going to give you an update on. Now I'm going to give you an update on my 2020 Gallery Heritage set. Plákata Cards gave me a Yordan Alvarez I need to add, and so I need to do a little update as I put those into the binder. So let's get to it. All right, here's my 2020 Gallery Heritage binder. Missing a couple of the first ones there. And Yordan here, he's card number 14. So put that right after, I think, Bregman here. Yep, fill up this page. Slide that one right in there. There you go. Filled up that page. Missing number 1, number 4. And then also number 20, 23, 24. And then also 29. And 38 and 39. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more cards. I'll put up a list here of the cards I'm still missing out of my binder for this complete set of the 2020 Heritage Gallery. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care, everybody. Peace out. And let's get watching some baseball instead of all this snow we got here in Colorado.